If you're over 50 and thinking about real estate investing, you might be wondering if it's too late to start. Maybe you've seen the headlines, watched the shows, and thought, that looks exciting, but can I really do it at my age? The answer is yes. Not only is it possible, but it can be one of the most powerful moves you make for your future. Here's the truth that most people miss. Real estate is not a solo mission. It's a team sport. And if you want to build wealth, protect your time, and avoid costly mistakes, you need to surround yourself with the right people. The good news? You already have something most new investors don't. Decades of wisdom, life experience, and resilience. You've built a career, raised a family, weathered storms, and learned how to adapt. Now it's time to use those strengths to build something new. Let's talk about the team you need to make real estate investing after 50 not just possible, but powerful. First, you need a mentor or coach. This is someone who's already walked the path you want to take. They'll help you avoid rookie mistakes, keep you grounded, and give you honest feedback. Don't wait until you feel ready. Find someone who's doing what you want to do and learn everything you can from them. Their experience will shorten your learning curve and give you the confidence to take action. Next, you need a realtor or wholesaler. These are your deal finders. A good agent or wholesaler doesn't just send you listings. They understand your goals and bring you opportunities that fit your strategy. Look for someone who's investor-friendly, who knows the local market, and who's willing to work at your pace. The right partner here can open doors you didn't even know existed. Third, you need a lender or private money partner. Whether it's a traditional bank, a hard money lender, or a private investor, these are the people who help you fund your deals. Start building relationships now before you're under contract. The right lender will not only provide the capital, but also help you think bigger and move faster. Fourth, you need a real estate attorney. This is not a DIY role. Your attorney will review contracts, protect your interests, and make sure you're not walking into legal traps. Having someone smart in your corner can save you from headaches and expensive mistakes down the road. Fifth, you need an inspector and a contractor. Your inspector is your eyes. They'll help you spot issues before you buy. Your contractor brings your vision to life or tells you when to walk away from a bad deal. These two can make or break your investment, so choose carefully and build trust over time. Sixth, if you're investing in rentals, you need a property manager. Your time is valuable, and a good manager will help you scale without the stress. They'll handle the day-to-day details, so you can focus on growing your portfolio and enjoying your life. Seventh, you need a CPA or tax advisor. You're not in this for bragging rights. You're in it to build a legacy. Your CPA will help you protect your profits, plan for the future, and keep the IRS off your back. Don't leave this to chance. Get professional advice from the start. And finally, there's the encourager. This might be your spouse, your best friend, or your adult child. They may not know real estate, but they believe in you. Sometimes that's the most important teammate of all. But here's something most new investors overlook. You're not just building a team, you're becoming a great teammate. You might not have experience yet, but you have value. Show up prepared, respect people's time, take notes and follow up, be coachable, keep your word, pay on time, and always ask, how can I make this easier for you? Trust isn't built on flashy talk. It's built on consistency. When people see you're serious, they'll want to help you win. Your first deal isn't just about buying property. It's about building momentum. It's about proving to yourself that you can do this and that your best years aren't behind you. They're just getting started. So build your team, make the calls, show up with value, and start walking into the life and legacy you were always meant to live. Download your free real estate team builder worksheet at Real50Plus.com and start mapping out your dream team today. If this video helped you feel more confident about starting after 50, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real estate wisdom made just for you.